People will think you're rich, but these cars cost less than a used SUV. Today, I'm showing you 5 luxury cars that look expensive, but you can actually buy for under $20,000 in America. First up, the legendary BMW 5 Series. This car screams CEO energy, leather interior, ambient lighting, aggressive front grille, and the craziest part? Older models can be found for under 20 grand. But remember, BMW repairs are not cheap. Next is the Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This thing looks classy from every angle. Pull up in this, and people instantly assume you have money. Used models from a few years ago are surprisingly affordable, but maintenance can hit hard if you ignore it. The Audi A7 might be the biggest flex on this list. It looks futuristic, like something a millionaire entrepreneur would drive. Wide body, premium interior, insane road presence, and yes, some used models are now under $20,000. Now let's talk reliability. The Lexus LS. This is basically luxury without constant headaches. Super smooth ride, quiet cabin, expensive look, and unlike German cars, this one won't destroy your wallet every month. And finally, the wild card, the Maserati Ghibli. This car looks insanely expensive. People will literally stop and stare. But here's the truth. Used Maseratis lose value fast, which means you can sometimes grab one under $20,000. So which car would you choose? The smart Lexus or the flashy Maserati? And don't forget to subscribe for more luxury car and money content.